Hi guys, as you all know, we are coming to year end, so a lot of festivals and whatever happens at the end of the year, we happen to have a lot of accidents. As we see, अरे वरस कावर जावं पळयला रे मातशें सांबाळून चलयात म्हणून आवय बापूय आमचे आमकां सांगतात की सांबाळून चलयात गाडी एक्सिडेंट जातलो नाल्यार कितें प्रॉब्लेम जातलो सो आमी सगळ्यांनी आमचे प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपाक जाय की आमी वी हॅव टू बी सेफ आमी सेफ रावंक जाय कित्याक आमच्या घरा कडेन आमची आवय भयण भाव नाल्यार बायल आनी भुरगीं घरा कडेन सदांच आमकां घराक पावपाक म्हणून रावतात घरान आशेन रावतात की पावतलो घरा पूण जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ अस आमकां लागून आमचे एक्सिडेंट आनी कितें जाता रस्त्यार कोण आनी भलतोच कोण येवन आमकां एक्सिडेंट करता आनी मोकून उडयता नाल्यार आमचो पांय मोडटा नाल्यार तकलेक मार लागता सो द सेम वे this is just a awareness video where I will be distributing free helmets to people who do not wear helmets and explain to them what is the requirement to wear a helmet when you are on a bike, because whether you are right or you are wrong, whatever happens, even a smallest fall and if there is a stone you can bang your head. Maybe the helmet may not help you to save you from a truck going over your head, but a smallest fall, because I have seen an accident, lot of accidents in my hand. There have been small boys, youngsters, teenagers died in my own hands where I've tried to take them to the hospital and they did not survive, and that too why? Just because of not having a helmet. A helmet would cost you somewhere around 700 and onwards it can go to 25,000 also. However precious you think your life is and you think your loved ones need you at home, you need to take care of yourself guys, because there is somebody waiting at home for you. Maybe your kids are waiting at home for you, maybe your parents are waiting, your parents may be old, they may be waiting, you are the only source of help, or in for their old age you are the only source of helping hand for them. So please be safe guys. So in association with our Goa police, I have tried to make a letter where I have asked them that I would like to distribute free helmets to the public. People sometimes don't have time, or they don't make time, or they are careless sometimes. All kind of sorts of things that we can say to them. And as we see, आमचे गोंयांतले रस्ते खूप पाड जाल्ले आसा आनी आमचे सांगून सांगून थकले. आमी कितले जाण आमचे एक्टिविस्ट थंय बोबो मारून थकले की बाबा रस्ते पाड जाल्ले आसा, रस्ते पाड जाल्ले आसा. कितले फाटी म्हाज्या मुखार एक्सिडेंट जाता, लोक जमनीर पडटा, तकलेक मार लागता. बट एट द सेम टाइम nobody tries to explain why this is important. आता एक्सिडेंट जावन तुजे तकलेक मार लागलो, तू हॉस्पिटलान पडला, पुलिसांक त्रास जाता काय तुमकां त्रास जाता? आमकांच त्रास जाता ते. आमकां कितें तकलेक मार लागून हांव डिसेबल्ड जालो नाल्यार पॅरलायज जालो, पुलिसाक प्रॉब्लेम काय तुमकां प्रॉब्लेम आनी तुमच्या फॅमिलीक प्रॉब्लेम तो? आमकांच प्रॉब्लेम तो, आनी आमच्याच फॅमिलीक सफर जावपाक पडटाली. मग आमची जाणटी आवय आसत नाल्यार बायल आसत, बायलेक भुरग्यांक सोडून हॉस्पिटलान येवन रावपाक पडत गडे. So we have to take a lot of precaution to see that things are around safe. When there is, the roads are bad, try and please take precaution, because we cannot beg from this government. कितले केले जाल्यार आमचे पैसे खंय वता ते आमकां खबर ना, आनी आमी तेजेर क्वेश्चन आनी तेजेर बोबो मारून फायदो ना. आमी आमकांच साल्वार करपाक जाय. So as I have seen, a lot of accidents take place, and because of a minor stone on the floor or a minor fall, and our brain may not be able to take it at a point of time. Just because of a normal helmet, it may not do a big difference, but a smallest fall can take your life. So I will be distributing these free helmets which have got the ISI mark. I have bought them in bulk. So from my side, I will be distributing these helmets and in and around different areas in Goa. I will try to do as much as possible from me guys. I have been trying to do, and even possibly I'll try to give insurance, because another thing about insurance is आमी खूप जाण माझ्या फ्रेंडांचे बी एक्सिडेंट जाल्ले आसात आनी त्यांची गाडी टोटल लॉस बीन जाल्ली आसा, मोटरसायकल टोटल लॉस जाल्ली आसा. कोणाक प्रॉब्लेम तो? आता पुलिसांक काय प्रॉब्लेम न्ही तो, तुजी गाडी एक्सिडेंट जाले पुलिसांक तुका काय पैसे दिवपाक पडना. द कॉप्स डोंट हॅव टू गिव अस द मनी. it is you who are at loss. So I will try to provide with free insurance also. That is the next plan. I will have to speak to already in talking terms with some insurance companies where they'll give me better price, maybe a third party insurance also. Maybe somebody goes and banks the person and the person dies, God forbid, but then it should not be that the person who is at the receiving end, कोणाक मार लागता तेका त्रास जावपाक शिरी पडना, भले तो मे बी तो गरीब घरातलो आसतलो, तेगेले जोडपी तो एकटोच आसतलो, तेका इन्शुरन्स मेळ्ळे जाल्यार तेगे घराक आदार जातलो, तितलो टेम तेका घरान कितले टेम उरतलो ते आमकां खबर ना. So these are all everyday life issues that we need to look into, not some big development which we see all the development, roadside benches have been put everywhere. I don't think so. This is required at the present state of affairs, what is happening right now or has been happening in India. We do not need those benches along the roadside where it is not planned properly and there are cars parking and then there are bikes parked over there and people are sitting over there. I don't think they generate any revenue for us. There have to be, that is our money, taxpayers' money. When we pay, we want आमचे ते पैसे आमकां लागून यूज करपाक जाय गव्हर्नमेंट आनी आमचे कितें डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक. डेव्हलपमेंट इज वॉट इट हॅज टू ग्रो, इट हॅज टू हेल्प अस जनरेट रेव्हेन्यू. So it is not that you just make one static structure over there and it does not generate revenue. That is not development, guys. And that is our money. These people are not putting the money from their pocket and ते आपणाले बोळसांतल्यान पैसे घालून डेव्हलपमेंट करना, ते आमचेच पैसे, टॅक्सपेयरांचेच पैसे. ते खंयचे एमएलएन जाय जाल्यार ते कितें आसा ते एप्लिकेशन घालून कशें करपा जाय ते करपा जाता. बट वी हॅव टू सी वेदर हे डेव्हलपमेंट आमी म्हणटात ते सायड ब्युटिफाय करपाचें, दॅट इज नॉट डेव्हलपमेंट. दॅट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट द सेफ्टी ऑफ आवर पीपल. गांवांनी खंय खंय लोक रावतात थंय तेंचे कडेन आमचे आपणाले आवय जाणटे आवय बापाय रस्तो ना, थंय एम्ब्युलन्स येतली म्हणून निल्या गाडी थंय लायतली आणि गाडयेन उबारून घालतले म्हणून. कालच माझ्या आयकला एक एक्टिव्हिस्टा कडल्यान की त्याच्या काकाक काय कोणाक खुर्चेन बसून उबारून व्हरपा पडलेले, खुर्चेन बसून घरातल्यान गाडये कडेन उबारून हाडपा पडटा. that would be a development where we need to reach in remote villages where they don't have facilities or build some structures that will regenerate funds, not something static. As a businessman, he will put I would put a money where it will give me some money in return, not put some money somewhere where it's never going to hatch eggs. So guys, we need to think and talk and put forward certain things which we don't require. So that is why I'm come forward and I'm looking into लोकांले, normal लोकांले म्हणजे गरीब लोकांले, means like regular people like me, middle income group, low income groupaचे किती एक्सपेक्टेशन्स आसा, किती प्रॉब्लेम्स चलतात त्यांची लायफानी, ते आमकां समजोवपाक जाय. व्हडले लोक कितें तेंचे कडेन पयशे आसा, खंय लायनीन सुद्दां उबो रावपाक गरज ना तेंकां, ना तेंकां कितें हाडपा वचपा, हेल्मेट हाडपा सुद्दां फोन मारलो ड्रायव्हरा सांगलो घेवन येता. So we have to look at the people. People ask me, if you're going to stand for election, you should have done in your constituency. You should work in your constituency. But for me, it is not about elections or anything. For me, it is humans, whether it is a foreigner, whether it is an outsider, कोणचो वयलो जावं भायलो जावं कोणूय जावं, म्हाका ते सगळे मनीस पयली. मनीसपणां आमची सगळी काबार जाल्ली आसा म्हणून you always will see I look into the small matters which make difference in people's life, in the poor people's life. आता विलेजांनी खूप जाणांक खूप प्रॉब्लेम्स आसात. सांगपा म्हणल्यार एकटे चेडू म्हणटा, घरान 3 जण चेडू आहा, एकलो चलो आसा, तितूंतले व्हडले चेडू म्हाका म्हणटा, सर आमी एक दीस सोडून दुसरे दिसा साबू लायता. कित्याक? घरान तितले पयशे ना, साबू सुद्दां सालवार करपा पडटा तेंकां, आनी हांगा आमी साबू बुडयन दवरता, तो व्हांवत रावता थंय. सो एक चिंतपाची गजाल आसा की आमचे विलेजांनी खूप प्रॉब्लेम चलता. सिटी लायफान तरी हांगा आमी रावतात, मडगांव जावं पणजे जावं, आमी एक दुसऱ्याक एक हात मागलो जाल्यार कोण तरी मदत करतलो. गरीब जावं सुद्दां खंय शॉपार वचून एक रिणाचेर एक म्हयन्याक राशन हाडटलो, प्रॉब्लेम ना. पण गांवांनी तांकां खूप पयस वचपा पडटा. तेंचे कितें हाडटले सामान, नाल्यार कोण दोतोरा कडेन वयतले, नाल्यार हॉस्पिटलान वतले, तांकां खूप त्रास भोगपाक पडटात ते. सो everything is important. The small issues that are there, multiple issues that are there, those need to be taken care of, which is possible. So we let us work towards finding solutions to small problems and then come on top. Let's unite unite each and every human, each and every leader, each and every state in this country. We have to work all together. So I will come up with new ideas every day which will help the poor. So थोड्यांक अफोर्ड जायना, थोड्यांक टाइम आसना, काय थोडी केअरलेस असतात. So I will provide all these things because we are careless about wearing a helmet, which is very important, and about insurance also. तुझे इन्शुरन्स ना जावं पण तू कोणाक मोखून मारून उडयतलो तो त्रासान पडटलो, भले तेजे कडेन इन्शुरन्स आसपाना कडेन. So at least third party insurance at least you should do. If you cannot afford the comprehensive insurance, you at least do a third party. So if because of your mistakes somebody else should not suffer, and I will try to provide whatever best possible. Every month I will be having a drive with the Goa police. I have put out my letters to them asking for permission, along with the support at the traffic areas wherever they would allow me to stand. I will be distributing these free helmets, guys. So please do share. Safety and care about the people, and we need to spread humanity first, guys. मनीसपणा सगळी काबार जाल्ली आसा. मनीसपण आमकां पयलीं परते हाडपा जाय जाल्यार सगळे जाग्यार पडटले. And this is the most important thing. आमी सगळे कडेन बोवाळ मारून फायदा ना. जर मनीसपणात ना उरलेली जाल्यार बोवाळ मारून, बोबो मारून, व्हड्डे धाडोवन कांयच फायदो जावपा ना. पयलीं सगळे कडल्यान आमी एक 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 घरांनी एकानी 10 जाणां सांगून मनीसपणा पयलीं परती हाडपा जाय आमच्या गोंयान, आनी सगळी कडेन स्प्रेड जावपा जाय. हांगा कोण मनीस सेपरेट ना, म्हाका कोण सेपरेट लागना. सो फॉर मी इट इज ओनली ह्युमन्स. तो खंयच्यानी येवन म्हाजे मुखार कितें जावं तेका हांव सगळ्यांक पावतलो. म्हाका डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करपा लायक ना की हो वयलो, हो भायलो, हो लंडनचो आणि कोण ब्रिटिशर, कोण फॉरेनर येयला, काय तो मुस्लिम, काय हिंदू, काय क्रिस्तांव, काय पंजाबी, कांयच लागना. ते पयली मनीस. So we are all humans, and God has created us. The religion has been created by us humans. So look at everyone as humans. We've got 2 eyes, 1 nose, whatever every human has. We are all blessed with the same. So please don't discriminate humans on the caste or religion or anything. Just try to help one another, make this world a better place first. Then we will see what is to be done next, guys. So thank you so much always for the love that you all give to me. For the people who contribute towards humanity, I really appreciate. It is very difficult to put a rupee out from your pocket. I know what complaints I suffer at home because I have been putting a lot of money irrespective of how my kids are going to be and what. I could have saved this money for my kids, but no. When I don't think about others, how will I think about my own family? I need to think about everyone. I need to think globally. All the people on this earth are humans, and it is called humanity that we need to bring first. So yes, at the end again, let me tell you guys, these are the helmets. I've tried to get the best quality helmets which I can afford, which is the ISI registered helmets. So they are legal helmets that I'm going to distribute all over Goa. I will start off with South Goa first, and however my business works, as I always tell you all, anything that we do at Diggy's Tattoos or Diggy's Salon or any of my businesses, whether it is furniture or anything, I donate 65% of my profits towards doing such kind of things where I can help the people. So it is very easy. So many years we are in business, we've made so much of money, and where do we going to take it? We are not going to take it down the grave. I have come up from a very scratch, and that is why I understand the value of the poor families, how they suffer, and I know each and every problem that a poor family suffers because I have come from there. After my father was no more, we had to literally start from the scratch. So we need to think small first and then grow big, step by step. Thank you so much, guys, for viewing and showing all the support once again. Please share this video as much as possible because you will be seeing me maybe this week onwards on every nook and corner. Every 15 days I'll try to distribute few helmets, and hopefully it would save somebody's life. And even insurance, next month I will update you all if I am going to give free insurance also to the public, which should help. Maybe you all feel it is not required, but we never know when the bad time would come to us, and we rather be safe than sorry. So thank you so much, guys, once again, and please don't mind my long videos, but I have got lots inside me that I want to put out. But yes, maybe God will help me or my dad Heavenly Dad would help me do as much as possible I can, and I'll try and help as much as possible before I leave this earth, and that would make my children proud. So I need to be very careful what steps I take, because two of my sons are going to take my name tomorrow. They should be proud that they are Digvijay Chauhan's son, and they should follow the same footsteps, so they should not get everything easy. So that is my thing. Please parents, make your children strong, educate them with the right things, and so that, because from there is where the next generation and the new life is going to take place. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Be safe. Take care. There is a lot of virus and a lot of accidents, a lot of problems around us. Try and look at it and help one another. Thank you so much, guys.